Several large manufacturers are transitioning to dollar-based terms discount as opposed to the traditional percentage-based discounts. Let's look at how that works now in DAC with this new feature. So to get there, what you want to do is take option 5 for purchasing. Everything happens there. And under option 16 is where this new feature lives. Take option 16. So to address the various complex methodologies that we're hearing about from the industry, this is what we came up with. The discounts get calculated at the time that the PO is sent over to accounts payable. You have a number of different ways you can structure that. You can do it, of course, by vendor, and then you can go all the way down to item level. You can do it at a brand level, at product class, at sales class, or category. So those are the different, and like most things in the DAX system, they operate on a hierarchy where, for instance, an item definition would override a sales class would override a category, and so forth. Typically the way we do pricing and things of that nature. If you look at an entry by doing a 2, so here I have one set up for my Hershey vendor. This is for an entire sales class. It is 5 cents. It's dollar based, so this is where you indicate, is it dollar based or is it percentage based? And so here, this would be for that entire class. If I had an item that was a member of that class, obviously that definition, if found, would supersede the class level definition. There's a place in here to indicate just an additional description that's optional. If I press F3 and go back, you can see that additional line by pressing F14. Just as informational only. So once again, dollar-based terms discounts available. Option 16 on the purchasing menu. Define the different scopes, the products that are affected, in other words. And at the time that the PO is sent over to accounts payable, that's when the terms discount is computed and sent over with that. And that's all for this topic. Let's move on to the next thing.